Hey guys, good evening. Hope you all are doing well. Today we're going to be making some salmon and mushrooms. So we're going to saute the onion in butter. Some pepper and so we're gonna saute onions and peppers in butter, let it cook a little bit, then we'll throw in some mushrooms. Here's our mushroom. That's how big we make that. We make them while this is sauteed.
You want to put this in here?
Yeah. Let that onion saute. So we're also we bought this fully cooked mini wonton with chicken and cilantro. So we're gonna try a few. So the water is hot, boiling. I'm just gonna drop a few in there. Check it out.
It's a little snack.
Yeah, just a snack.
Yeah, that should be fine. I'll take 7 and you can take 7.
That's good?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we need to cook this for about 2 minutes. It's just a snack. Alright, I'm gonna add the mushroom to cook up in the butter, and
Mushroom looks good.
yep, and let that cook.
And we got the fish here, the salmon fish, already seasoned. Already.
Yep. It's wild caught salmon, guys.
This is still boiling here. It's not hot as yet. So, and it's frozen.
Alright guys, so mushroom has been sauteing for a little bit.
That looks delicious. It smells good too.
Alright.
Yeah.
I actually love mushrooms very much. Not everyone likes mushroom. Do you like mushroom?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Oh, the wontons are coming good. Okay, so now we're gonna add the salmon, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna push the mushroom on the side.
Want me to help you put it in?
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Yep. Push the mushroom on the side. I'm gonna put skin down. This part down first.
we're gonna let it cook on that over there first.
Yep.
And then we're gonna turn it over.
So we're gonna let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on this side. And then we'll give it a turn.
Salmon is very soft and tender, but delicious.
Yep, salmon is always a quick weeknight dinner, and it's delicious, it's light, it's healthy, it's all of the above. And you don't need to put a lot into making salmon. And in this household, we love salmon.
Yep.
Well, fish in general.
Can't wait for this to done to eat some.
Okay. We'll know when it starts to get white here, that means it's cooked through.
Oh, it's halfway cooked already.
I know.
So guys, what she was saying, if you start getting white coming up here, as you can see here, it's still red. So it's almost halfway cooked, as you can see there. And white things start coming out.
Yeah.
And same goes for this one here. Alright, I think this here is done.
Done? Let's finish.
Yeah, it's done. I'm gonna dig into that later on in a little bit. This is still cooking here.
Alright, so it's been about 4 minutes since it's been cooking. So we're just gonna... Actually, babe, you're a better turner. Can you just turn this for me?
Turner?
Turn, yeah, if that's such a word. Perfect. Perfect. You know the thing, you know the thing.
Guys, it smells so good.
Thank you, honey.
It's very, very delicious.
Alright, so what I'll do now, I'll take the mushroom and I'll move it on top of the fish. We should have had more mushroom, but...
Yeah, the last time we did mixed veggies, right?
Yeah, but this is just mushroom with salmon cooked in butter.
Yeah, guys, if you look in the channel, you will find the one with salmon and mixed veggies.
Yeah, we did make salmon and mixed veggies before as well.
It's a kind of stew.
Yep, so that's that. Okay, let that cook up. So what we're gonna do now, we're just going to sprinkle some scallions on it. Sorry, a piece of fish fell.
And I put in any salt and sugar and black pepper, and it was already seasoned.
Well, if you want, we could put some sugar. How about putting some molasses in? I think it would. Guys, do you think throwing some calf's reap on this would be good? Comment and let me know. What else would you like to put
curry
in?
powder, curry.
Okay. Alright, so what we'll do with this type, this one specifically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the stove off and cover it and let it cook with the heat. And that's it. Simple salmon.
Yep.
Yeah. So this is going to be...
Yeah, guys, if you guys want salmon, Costco is the best place to get it. Farm raised or wild caught. Well, this is wild caught. It's a little spendy. This is like $30, but it's really healthy for you. Yeah, it's a kind of brain food, blood, whatever. Grab it, make it, do mixed veggies, do a stew. I like salmon and stew. Like I said, we have a video with salmon and stew already. You can check it out. let us know.
Yeah, guys, so we're going to let this simmer in the heat. The stove has been turned off, and this is just gonna cook, and it'll be ready to serve within 4 to 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Eat it with mashed potato, brown rice, white rice. Eat it just like that, and veggies. We're gonna lash some wontons as well. All right, so that's it. Please make sure to subscribe to Cooking with Vish and Nalini on YouTube. Tell your friends and family about these two wonderful individuals, Vish and Nalini. Have them come check us out on YouTube. Make your friends and family tell their friends and family. So bring everybody. It's one big family. Come on, y'all. And make sure everybody subscribe, and so we can keep bringing additional videos. Have a wonderful evening, and
God
ciao.
bless.